Good morning and a warm welcome, dear students. In the last grammar lesson, we have learnt synonyms, that is, similar words for the given word. Today in grammar, we are going to learn a new lesson, that is, tenses. Subject grammar, tenses. What are tenses? What is the meaning of tenses? Tense means time. The meaning of tenses is time. When a particular thing happens, it tells you about the time. So tenses means time. There are three kinds of tenses. In grammar, there are three kinds of tenses. They are past tense, present tense, and future tense. I repeat, past tense, present tense, and future tense. Now let us see what is past tense. A verb that refers to an action which happened in the past is said to be in past tense. A verb. So this tenses means the verbs, the action, when the action had happened. Okay? It refers, a verb that refers to an action which happened in the past. That means an action that had already happened in the past is called as past tense. I have given you two examples. Kamal ate an apple. Ate. Now ate is an action word. Eat, ate. Ate is an action word. So ate tells you that Kamal has already eaten. Okay, Kamal ate an apple. The action has already happened long time ago, some time ago. Second example I have written here. I wrote a letter last week. Now here, write. The present tense is write and the past is wrote. That means I wrote a letter last week. So here wrote and ate are the two action words which tells you about the past, the action that has happened in the past. Next, we move on to present tense. Now, what is present tense? A verb that refers to the present time is said to be in the present tense. A verb that refers to the present time, what is happening at present. What is happening in the present is said to be present tense. Here again, I have given two examples. Same example, only the tenses are different here. Kamal eats an apple. Here, at present time, the action has been performed in the present time. So I have given here, Kamal eats an apple. Number two, I write this letter now. I write this letter. I am writing now. Right now I am doing the action. So I write this letter now. So a verb that refers to the present time. Right now, what is happening in the present right now is said to be a present tense. Next is future tense. Future tense is a verb that refers to an action that will occur in a period of time in the future is said to be in the future tense. Now, what is going to happen tomorrow, next week, next month, next year, after an hour? Such word is called as future tense, the action that will be performed later on. is said to be future tense, a verb that refers to an action that will occur, that is yet to happen. It has not happened. It's about to happen in the period of time. Period of time means maybe after 1 hour, after 1 month. So, period of time in the future is said to be in the future tense. I have repeated the same example, only the tense will change here. Kamal will eat an apple in the evening. Maybe now it is morning or afternoon. So, Kamal will eat. He has not eaten the apple. He is not eating the apple. But Kamal will eat an apple in the evening. Next, I will write a letter next week. The letter I have not written. I am not writing now. But I will write the letter next week. Now we move on to the exercise. Complete the following table. Now this is present tense, past tense, future tense. Okay, the first one is done for you. Fly, present is fly. The birds fly in the sky. Fly, present tense, and flew is the past tense. The birds flew in the sky yesterday. So it is the past tense of fly is flew, and future tense, the action has not occurred, so it is will fly. The bird will fly in the sky tomorrow, maybe in the evening. Next, dance. The present tense is dance. The past tense of dance. What is the past tense of dance? Yes, the past tense of dance is danced. You have to add D, danced. Next, present tense dash, past tense sang, future tense dash. So what is the present tense of sang? Yes, very good. The present tense of sang is sing, and the future tense of sing is will sing. Next, present is not given, past is not given, future is will take. So, the present tense will be take, past tense will be took, and future is will take. The present tense is go, past tense not given, future is will go. So, what do you think is the past tense, children? Yes, very good. The past tense is went. The go, went, will go. Next, present tense not given, past tense is sat. So what is the present tense of sat? The present tense of sat is sit, sat, and the future is will sit. Next, present tense is cried, past tense will be, yes, very good, it is cried, and future tense will be will cry. Next, present tense not given, past tense is fed, future tense not given. What is the present tense of fed? Yes, very good. The present tense of fed is feed, fed, and the future tense is will feed. Now here the future tense is given, present and past is not given. Will write. So tell me, what is the past tense of write? Past tense of write? Yes, very good. The past tense of write is wrote. And what is the present tense of write? Write. Write. Past tense is wrote. Future is will write. Next, number buy is the present tense. The past tense is buy, bought, and future is will buy. Next, the past tense is given, laughed. The future tense and present tense is not given. So, what will be the future tense of laughed? Okay, very good. The future tense will be will laugh. So, if the future tense is will laugh, what is the present tense? Yes, the present tense is laugh, laughed, and the future tense is will laugh. Children, along with the definitions, copy this in your grammar notebook. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.